Hi guys, it's Maya. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? I'm here on my channel. We do whatever we want over here. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys this hair. This is a 13x4 lace front wig. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't even show y'all no hair that I don't like, and that's on period. Like, a lot of y'all, I feel like y'all think that I just be showing y'all any old hair. No, if I do not like the hair, I'm telling the company that I'm not posting that video. So then, now that's out the way. Yeah, girl. I mean, look. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so this is the bag that the hair comes in, and this is how it looked inside the bag. It is a body wave. Y'all see the wave, period, pool 220 density. Yeah, it came with lashes, and right now I'm just taking it out of the packaging. And y'all, this little thing just be sticking to everything. It just stick to the wall, stick to your skin, stick to everything. And look at that bounce. Do y'all see that bounce? The movement, the body, the hairline didn't really need plucking. The knots actually weren't too big either, but I still decided to bleach them. And I wanted to try to put purple shampoo in it because I heard that if you do this, you don't have to wash it off with purple shampoo after. But y'all, I couldn't get the consistency right, and it was just too watery. Like, I tried, but I don't know. It didn't really do too much of a difference. So, and then the bleach still ended up white on the lace. Like, I don't know, I'll figure it out one day. But anyway, I just bleached it as normal. Then I'm gonna rinse it off, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. Alright, y'all, so let me know if y'all see a difference. This side I plucked, this side I did not. Okay, let me know if y'all see a difference. But anyway, starting to install the wig. We're gonna start off with the bald cap method. I like this method. I mean, I could live without it. I started to do it only with HD wigs because with HD wigs you could definitely, like, you know, see the cap under. So, and I think I do good with this method now. I think I'm starting to do pretty well. You know what I'm saying? I think I found my shade. So, yeah, I'm just going to cut off the excess cap and start the install process. So when I install my wigs, I like to cut the lace off first. I don't know if you guys have seen like other hair tutorials. They leave on the lace and then they spray on top, or like, I don't know, you guys, it's just so much it's just so difficult for me to leave the lace on and apply the wig that way. I don't know, so I like to cut the lace. That way I can see everything. I can see where I'm placing the wig and everything. So after I cut the lace, I like to part some hair in front of the hairline, and I like to use that hair to grab to place on top of the glue after I apply the glue. It furthers the, I don't know the word, it just makes it more accurate for me. So that's how I'm gonna install this wig. guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.